This is WWK Superstar TNT here with an important message. We are strange professional in a real wrestling ring. Don't try this at home.
Welcome to WWK. We are live. This match is a one-on-one match. Shinsuke and
Hello,
Destroyer.
I'm Kikup. I'm
Okay.
the referee to the match today. It's night here in Norway.
It's a
We are
wonderful
live.
match today,
The
yeah.
first
He said
fighter
that.
are Destroyer.
Oh yeah, and the first contender is Destroyer.
And we have, and the second fighter are Shinsuke.
And the other one is Shinsuke. Okay, the referee
Ready?
see this match now. He's gonna start this match, and the Destroyer attacks Shinsuke. One time, again. Oh, and he's chopping out. Oh, that was a hard strike. Attack. Shinsuke has come back in his fight now. You know that? Yeah. Oh, a double salto. What a powerful move. Oh, and he's kicking his leg. Oh, again. And so, he's just seeing his opportunity to get up. Oh, that was a hard shot. Attacking him. He's gonna attack him with a spear. Oh, that was a good spear there. And so
Hey,
the
take it easy,
Destroyer
hey,
attacked him, and the referee came and talked to him. That
I
can't
say
do
to you,
this.
one more, you are out.
Or he gets out of this match.
Are you okay?
So Destroyer, no. And so Shinsuke can attack Destroyer, but Destroyer take him down first. He's gonna do a high flying move from the top rope. Oh my god. Oh, he's jumping now. Oh, what a powerful move that was. Oh, and he just seen it. Sorry. Okay. Oh, it's failing. Oh, he's kick him. Oh, the Destroyer attacks him. Oh, he attacks him. He's gonna attack him. Oh, RKO. Oh, there you go. What a powerful move. And he's going for the pin. Only two. And if you have a look at this, get us the special referee today, yeah. So yeah. You can't. He's gonna do it. You can't see. Oh, a fine knuckle shuffle. Oh, that's gonna hurt right for Shinsuke. Oh, he's getting up. And Shinsuke, I think he's gonna do a top row. That's action. Oh, and he falls down with a salto.
Destroyer,
I think and he said to the guy. Oh, he's gonna pin him. And he do it. He's gonna attack him. Oh, sorry, I mean pin. No, I don't mean pin. Oh,
No, are you okay?
checking if he's up to something. Oh, and the referee has been kicked by Sin Chicken. Yeah, oh, and it's little attack there. Oh, a spear again. 2 spears on one video. Oh, on one thing. 1, 2, 3. No, it's not a pin.
1, 2.
Only 2, I mean. Because referee don't say good to him. Oh yeah. Oh, and the referee is hurt. Yeah. Oh.
We need a new
Oh,
referee. Is Howie.
He's jumping.
Agent Screamer.
Oh, he's gonna do a submission. Oh, but there's a new referee coming on. Agent Screamer is a new referee for this match because Hiccup is hurt. Oh. Oh, another spear. Oh. 1, 2, only 2. It was 3, but yeah, it was not. He's not falling so fast. Oh, and attacking, and he's attacking him. Oh, and he's going for the recovery. 1, 2, 3.
Ding, ding, ding.
And the winner is Agent. No, okay. Don't forget, it's an Extreme Rules match. Sorry. Look at this replays now, coming now. Okay. But also don't forget, Extreme Rules coming soon.
Speed up.